Hi there, my name is Austin, and today I'm going to talk to you about the features coming to ARM Treasure Data in January 2020. One of the big new features that we're happy to announce this month is a major enhancement to our importer UI. Previously, when you imported something, you would have default table and database names, as well as only having the option to save and run now. We've now added the ability here to save, as well as the traditional save and run now option, as well as giving you the ability to change the default database and table name that you're using. You should see these live by the end of the month, so please check them out and enjoy the new experience. We're also proud to announce that this month we have the Identity Federation service launching in beta. This allows you to use an identity authentication provider to provide access to multiple sub-Treasure Data accounts. Currently, we have an implementation using the Azure Active Directory with SAML 2.0, but it can work with any provider you choose to implement with. In addition, we've added a data connector this month for LiveRamp. You can use ARM Treasure Data to export segments to LiveRamp for activation through LiveRamp's activation partners. LiveRamp Identity Connect connects and anonymizes PLL data to LiveRamp's activation partners. You can now export to 6 LiveRamp activation partners. If you're interested in participating in the LiveRamp beta, contact your Treasure Data customer services representative today to check it out. For data connectors, we've added these functionalities. For LinkedIn, we've added a connector that enables you to create an account or contact list segments in LinkedIn, and then upload or update audience lists dynamically to your matched audiences. For Microsoft Power BI, you can export shared workspaces in Microsoft Power BI. A new field for workspace IDs is added to the data connector configuration. You can also opt to replace existing information when you export to a shared workspace. For Google Sheets, you can now use the data connector to import Google Sheet content into your database. You can bring in data from a Google spreadsheet file without manually converting the data to CSV before import, and you can retain that format in the original spreadsheet. Some major announcements this month: the Salesforce import connector is being deprecated. By the end of January 2020, if you're using Salesforce V1, you need to transition to Salesforce V2 to avoid any issues. In addition, we've upgraded our Presto backend from 0.205 to Presto 317. This enables many stability features and enhancements that'll make your experience better with the platform. For porting steps, please see the feature release notes linked down below for specific instructions on how to test your scripts before the upgrade and the transition process. In addition, we've added support for Apache Hivemol 0.6.0. This brings training and prediction support using XGBoost. While the original XGBoost is a standalone library that works on a single machine, Hivemol enables running XGBoost in parallel across our entire Hadoop cluster. It can easily be leveraged using an SQL query like the one to my right. As always, if you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, or you would like to take advantage of any of the features you've seen here this month, please reach out to us at feedback.treasuredata.com to let us know, or talk to your local support representative.